Hey friends, if you wish to fix could not move extension directly into profile error on your Google Chrome browser on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to clear the cache and cookies. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Okay, go to your profile, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then history once again, click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, make sure that cache and cookies is selected and then click on delete files. The next solution is to remove problematic extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions, select manage extensions. If you find any problematic extension here, try disabling it. If it helps, then simply remove it. The next solution is to update Chrome. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select help here and select about Chrome. It will update it by itself. The last solution is to reset Chrome. So on the same page, go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the original defaults and then select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.